Hey guys, it's Miss Owens. I have missed you guys so much, and I hope that you are loving our poetry lessons. Yesterday we did a TIQPN check to comprehend a poem, and today we are doing something fun. So I know that I had mentioned before that sometimes poems can rhyme, and sometimes poems definitely don't rhyme. They are just all about one thing. And what we call those poems that are all about one thing are themed poems. And themed poems kind of go with what you guys are already thinking, I'm sure. Have you ever said to yourself, I wonder what the theme of open house is going to be at school this year? Or have you ever thought in your head, I wonder what the theme of my classroom is going to be? Some classrooms have themes. Like my classroom has a beach theme because I love the beach. Or, ooh, I have a really good idea. Who has ever thought in their head, okay, what's the theme of my birthday party going to be? Maybe all about soccer? So, poems also can have themes. I'm going to share with you guys some things real quick. So, let me share my screen. Awesome. And there's me. Cool. Okay. So, in your notebook, on the table of contents, you can go ahead and put the very first thing, and you can put your title, which is themed poem. So, in your table of contents, next page down, themed poem. And I have it right here themed poem. So, like I said, sometimes poems don't have to rhyme. But if they don't have to rhyme, then sometimes they're all about one certain thing, and that's a themed poem. So while you're writing down themed poem in your table of contents, I'm going to wait right here for you. And you can pause this video also so that you can write it down because you're also going to need to turn in your notebook to the next page and you need to title it themed poem. And let's see, it says a themed poem is a poem that is all about one thing or one topic. A poem that's all about one thing or one topic. You can pause this video right here so you can write down the definition in your reading notebook. Write this down underneath the title, themed poem. Awesome. Now, once you've finished with that, make sure you spelled everything right. If you did, then give yourself a little pat on the back. Or I like to say give yourself some clicks. So once you finish that, now let's look at some examples of themed poems. You only have to copy down in your notebook one example of these themed poems. You can choose just one. If you want to go crazy and write down all of the examples, then you know what? Go ahead, write them all down. It is up to you, okay, guys? But I would like just one example in your reading notebook so that you have it to go back to if you need to, okay? So it says, what is the theme of this poem? How do you know this is the theme? So let's look right here. It says special square is the title. A square is special, equal, and flat. A square has four sides just the same. A square has four vertices. A square is special in many ways. Now pause this right here and pause the video right here and think in your head, what could the theme of this poem be? If you said, or if you were thinking all about a square or all about squares, give yourself a hand. Good job, guys. And it's pretty simple. You can figure out what the theme is a lot of times just by looking at the title. That's not even a secret. I'm whispering it like it's a secret. It's not. You can just look at the title a lot of times. All right. If this is the poem that you want to copy into your reading notebook, be sure that you wrote down what the theme is, all about squares. Here's another example. What is the theme of this poem? How do you know this is the theme? So it says, the sun, you are bright, hot, a yellow star with sunshine rays in the sky. Pause this right here and think real quick. It should not take you long. What do you think this is about? If you said all about the sun, you guys rock. Ooh, another thing I didn't even think to mention is, guys, look at this other text feature that really tells us what the poem's about. The illustration. It's a picture of the sun. Look back at the last one. It's a picture of a square. That is so cool. So, if you said all about the sun, you guys rock. Now, how did you know this was the theme? Well, there's a picture. What are some other things? You could underline this as text evidence or highlight it. The sun is bright. Awesome. Ooh, it's hot. Okay, that's the sun. Oh, the sunshine has rays. Okay, definitely true, right? And oh, wait, the sun's in the sky. Oh, it's a yellow star. All of these describe the sun. So we have lots of evidence. All right, let's look at our very last one for today, okay? What is the theme of this poem? Baseball summer. I love baseball. I want to play baseball at the park with my friends all summer long. I don't care if it's hot and dirty. If it rains, I want to watch baseball on TV with my dad. I love baseball. Now pause this video right here so you can think, what is the theme of this poem? If you said the theme of this poem is baseball or about baseball in the summer, you guys get some clicks. You're awesome. And another thing I like to say is when you get something correct and you're really proud of yourself, we like to say a 10-finger woo. So give yourself a 10-finger woo. Woo. That's like a really good job. And if you know all of your evidence that tells you that the theme of this poem is baseball or baseball summer, then let's go ahead and underline it or highlight it now if you wrote this poem down in your notebook. So I know I could put baseball. Ooh, you do it at the park. Yep. Ooh, you can play it in the summer. You can watch it on TV. These are all good examples. Or you could just look at the what, guys. What's at the very top? Look at my gesture. What's at the very top? It's in capital letters. It's in bold print. If you said title, you're a rock star. Good job. Now, today I have a really fun assignment for you guys. So you're going to follow the website on the lesson plans, and you are going to be creating your own themed poem. Once you're finished with your themed poem, I want you to either take a picture of it or I want you to save it on your computer and send it to your teacher, okay? So there's two ways. You can take a picture of it and send it to your teacher on Dojo or on email, or on the website that you're going to, you can save it and send it from that website. Either way, I want to see all of your really cool examples of themed poems, and you can choose your own theme. So if you're a dancer or a ballerina, gymnast, then that can be what yours is. If you really like the color red, make a themed poem about something being red or lots of things red. And does it have to rhyme if it's a themed poem? No, doesn't. But if you want yours to rhyme, double thumbs up, because that just means that you're trying to go above and beyond and you're doing a themed poem and a rhyming poem with a rhythm and a beat. So either way, it will be right. All right, guys, I'll see you soon, and I miss you, and I hope you had fun today. Bye.